Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to change Facebook password. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. Now, tap on the menu icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Then, tap on Setting. After that, click on Account Center. Now tap on Password and Security. Now click on Change Password. Select your Facebook account. Here you need to enter your current password first. Then type your new password. Re-enter your password. Click on Logout of other device. Once everything is ready, tap on Change Password. That's it. Your Facebook password has been changed successfully. Thanks for watching.